Hello guys, yo. Today is the 28th, 29th of July 2025. So today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys how you can change your IP address every 5 seconds using the Kali Linux. Okay. Now the first thing you have to do is you go to your browser. Let me close this right here. Mm, and Green 37 IP changer. Now you click on the first GitHub link. This is the official GitHub link for this. On this page, you go to code. Under code, you see HTTPS. You copy the link. Come back to your terminal. Type git clone and you paste the link you just copied to clone the directory. Okay, I already have the directory installed. The next thing again to do is you cd into the directory. Do ls and then hope you guys are seeing this. I think this should be the highest. Okay, ls, and you see some files ip changer.sh. What you need to do is put dot slash the green IP changer Make sure you follow this as I am doing, okay? And you press enter. Okay, sudo forgotten. Sudo IP change to confirm your password. Now we are actually on the tool itself. Now the first thing you have to do is you go to your browser. Okay. Okay. Here it says enter time interval in seconds. That is how many seconds you want your IP address to be changing. I'll go with 5. Enter number of times you change IP address. That is, yeah, there it says type 0 for infinity. Okay. If you put 10, if you decide to put 10, that 10 implies that once your IP address changes up to 10 times, it's for the 0. And you see now it is changing. This is my first IP address. Okay. Now you can see every 5 seconds my IP address change. To verify this now, you go back to your browser and open a new page. You type DNS latest asyn.com. Oh, forgotten something. Forgotten something. So you need to configure the settings. You go to your browser, go to settings. This is where you see these 3 lines and you scroll down. You see where you see network settings. You go to, you select manual proxy configuration. So it's socket host. You put this number 127.0.0.1. Then the port should be 9050, and make sure you enable proxy DNS while using SOCKS 5. Enable this, the last one, and you press OK. Now your browser has been configured to run traffic through the Tor network. Then type this dnsleaktest.com. So guys, what do you see? This is my new IP and my new location. So after 5 seconds, when I refresh the page again, you will see it will change. Okay, let me just wait for 5 seconds. So guys, what do you see again? This is my new IP again. So literally every 5 seconds your IP address changes. That it depends on you, because I set mine to 5 seconds. You can set yours at 10 seconds and a minute, an hour, depending on what you want to do. So it's always good to actually change your IP address to prevent hackers from locating your exact place and location, and to always stay anonymous on the internet. Uh, I'm back on my terminal. You can see how many IP address has changed, and as 5 seconds keeps coming, every 5 seconds the IP address changes. So to actually stop this, you press Control C and it will stop. To confirm this, you go back to your terminal, you go back to the settings where you see these three lines, you go to settings, make sure you scroll down. And you close this right here. And location, and to always stay anonymous on the internet. Uh, I'm back on my terminal. You can see how many IP address has changed, and as 5 seconds keeps coming. Okay, I'll go back to my terminal. Going back to my terminal. Make sure you scroll down. So you go back to auto detect and you press OK. And that is it. That is how you can change your IP address. And it's always the anonymous on the internet. Back on my terminal. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching.